On the 24th of June, Infinix launched Infinix Note5. In partnership with Google at the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Infinix Note5 has finally seen the light of day. Its productivity gadget is budget mobile. 6.0 Full HD screen with infinity display. 16MP selfie camera on top with flashlight for better selfie. 12MP camera with flash above the fingerprint sensor. Octa Core 2 GHz, MediaTek Helio P23 processor. It comes with basic and Pro variant. 3 GB RAM but 4 GB on the Pro. 32 GB internal storage and 64 GB in the Pro version. Dual Nano 4G SIM including memory card slot. Supports up to 128 GB memory card. 4500 mAh battery which helps for better battery backup. Large battery of Inifnix Note5 Pro can help you for 3 days minimum. This Android One program Android has 8.1 Oreo software on the Note5. AI scene detection in camera for better images. 3-day battery life for 38 hours talk time. Fast charging with 18W charger. Price is not yet confirmed, but it will be around $220.